class, we still want to treat more questions on heat energy. By examining this question on the board, the radiator, 2002 question 19. The radiator of a motor car is cooled by A, radiation, B, radiation and conduction, C, conduction, D, convection. This topic is on heat energy. The main principle in the radiator of a motor car is heat loss by convection. Heat loss by convection. So the answer here is that it is the radiator of a motor car is cooled by convection. This information is very important and vital for some students. They are bereft of information. Let's share it to them. See you in my next video. Bye.